Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and today we're going to be fixing the Bosch error code on your dishwasher. Alright guys, so the error code we're going to be looking at is the E19 error code and I'll be showing you how you can fix it and address it as well. Now what does the E19 error mean? It simply means there's a problem with the detergent dispenser circuit, an internal valve or heat exchanger system. This is a safety fault that stops the dishwasher from running properly. So basically, you're going to be having issues with either the detergent dispenser circuit, an internal valve, or the heat exchange system. All right, so here's the internals of your dishwasher and how they work. Now, basically, what are the common issues you could face? The common issues are a faulty dispenser solenoid, issues with the recirculation or heat exchanger valve, wiring problems, or really a control board fault. So please keep this in mind when you are opening up your dishwasher. Now, a basic troubleshooting you can try is starting with a simple reset. Just turn off your dishwasher at the breaker or unplug it for at least 30 seconds to 5 minutes and then plug back in and try to run a cycle. Now, if this doesn't work, you're going to need some pro help. So if the error returns, this usually involves internal parts like the valve or dispenser. Bosch recommends not attempting a do-it-yourself repair due to the complexity and safety. So book a certified technician. This usually works. If you can get a certified technician to come and take a look at your internal valve like the one I have displayed here, you can get it fixed. Now, just contact Bosch support for this fix and they would send a certified technician to simply help you with your errors or your problems. So guys, that's how you can fix the E19 error code. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you.